Something interesting is happening in Iran. People are searching for information about Pope Francis. This is unusual. Iran is a mostly Muslim country. The Pope is the leader of the Catholic Church. Why the sudden interest? We don't know for sure, but there are some clues. The world is changing. Iranians, especially young people, are curious about the world. This trend tells us something important. Iranians are paying attention to global figures. They are interested in religious leaders who speak out about peace and justice. This could be the start of something new. Pope Francis is known for his compassion. He speaks out against injustice. He talks about helping the poor and the marginalized. He has criticized the war in Ukraine. These messages resonate with many people. The Pope also meets with leaders from different religions. He wants to build bridges between faiths. This includes Islam. He has met with important Muslim leaders. His words and actions have gotten attention in Iran. Some Iranians see him as a voice of reason in a chaotic world. They appreciate his message of peace and dialogue. Iran and the Vatican have a long history. It goes back centuries. The relationship has been complex. There have been times of cooperation and times of tension. Iran is mostly Shia Muslim. The Vatican is the center of the Catholic Church. These are different branches of Christianity. Despite the differences, there have been areas of agreement. Both faiths value family and community. Both have a strong sense of social justice. These shared values can be a bridge between the two. The current interest in Pope Francis shows this potential. The increased interest in Pope Francis is interesting. It might mean that some Iranians are looking for new perspectives. They may be seeking spiritual guidance beyond traditional religious lines. The Pope's focus on peace and dialogue could be appealing in a region often marked by conflict. His message of compassion might resonate with those who feel unheard. It's too early to say what this trend will lead to, but it is a sign of openness. It shows a desire for connection and understanding. This is a positive development in a complex world.